Yes. So I will just continue my class. Okay. And can you hear me? Yeah. Very nice. So I shall begin. Page number 33, we had stopped. So I'll continue from there itself. Okay. Rajam enthusiasm was greater. Okay. Rajam's enthusiasm was greater. He was very enthusiastic. Who? Rajam. He left his chair and sat on the arms of Manish's chair. So Rajam, what he did as they were sitting, okay, he left his chair and he went and sat on Manish's chair's arm. Where you rest your arms, no? There he went and sat. Gloiting means meaning here is dwelling in one's own success. This is the meaning of gloiting, dwelling on one's own success. Okay, so over the pictures of the cricket goods in the catalog. So he was gloating over the pictures of the cricket goods in the catalog. Okay, he was very happy and he was thinking that they'll have all these things and they will be successful in this game. So Aminathan, though he was considered to be a bit heretic. Now, here the meaning of heretic is a person who holds or believes or an opinion that strongly disagrees with what most people believe. So, this is the meaning of heretic. So, here Swaminathan, though he was considered to be a bit heretic, caught the enthusiasm and perched on the other arm of the chair. Now, here even he started believing that we will be successful in what we are doing. Okay, and then what he did, he also got up and he perched. Perched means sat. Okay, the meaning of perched is sat. He also became very enthusiastic and he also sat on the other arm of the chair. Okay, so one side you can see on page number 32, you can see that how all three friends are sitting. They're sitting, two of them are sitting on the arms of the chair. Okay, so between is money. Okay, and at the right hand side of your this right hand side of you is Rajam, and the other side left side is oh, Swami. Okay. Yes. So they all are sitting, they're very now enthusiastic and they're thinking that one day they also will be, their team also will be a successful team. Okay. All the three devoured means quickly with their eyes. Here, devoured, the meaning of devoured is quickly. Okay. The eyes, the glossy picture of the bat, ball, and net. So they were just looking and staring at that pictures, that is the cricket bat, balls, and nets. In about an hour, they selected the catalogs, their team's requirement. So in about 1 hour, no, they all selected what they needed for their team. For the all the requirements for their team, what they needed, they had already selected. And then came the most difficult part of the whole affair. So now they thought, first they decided what name to give for their team. Okay, so they selected one name. Then they started seeing the catalog and they started what required requirements are there. They thought of all that. Okay, so that was also finalized. Now the next is the important part, and the most difficult part was the a letter to Mr. Bin. So to bring this items or the requirement, no, they had to write a letter to the shop. Okay, that is Mr. Bins. They had to write a letter to this. Okay, so what happened? That was ordering goods. Okay, so to buy these all things, they had to write a letter. Okay, that is known as ordering goods. Then, bare courtesy made Rajam offer the authorship of the letter to Money. So, what Money said, Rajam said, let Money write a letter. Okay, they wanted to write an official letter. It is okay. So now Rajam said, let offer the authorship means a document or creating of a work of art. So he had to write this letter. Who had to write this letter? Mani. Rajam was saying that Mani should write this letter. But what happens? Let us see. Who declined it? Who declined means who became smaller means he didn't wanted to write this letter, as you know that he was not good enough to in his studies. Mute your system. Mute your system, children. Okay, so Rajam said that Mani is going to write the letter, but Mani says no, he will not write. He cannot write the letter. So Rajam again took up the task himself. So what Rajam did, he himself took the task. That is, he himself thought of writing this letter. Half an hour later, he placed on the table a letter. So after half an hour, Rajam kept the letter on the table. Now let us see how Rajam has written this letter. Okay, let us see. So he is written from MCC and Victory Union 11 Malgudis. So he has written their address. Okay, their address they have written first. It is MCC. And bracket has put Victory Union 11. So this name they have finalized Victory Union 11. Also MCC. Okay. Then Malgudi is the name of the place. 2. Now who is this 2? To which shop they are writing? Messer Bins Sportsmen Mount Road Madras. So this is the address of the shop. Okay. Then he is writing now. See how the letter is written. Dear Sir, please send to our team 2 junior billiards bats, 6 balls, wickets, and other things quickly. It is very urgent. We shall send you money afterwards. Don't fear, please be urgent. Your obediently, Captain Rajam. So this was the letter. Who wrote this letter? Rajam wrote this letter. Very good. Okay. Now the letter is also ready. This letter received Swaminathan's benediction. Now, what is benediction means? Blessing. Whose blessings were required? Swaminathan's. Okay, this letter required Swaminathan's blessings. But Mani expressed certain doubts. Now, Mani had some certain doubts in his minds. Okay, now what are those doubts? Let us see. He wanted to know whether dear could stand at the beginning of the letter to a perfect stranger. Now, he had a problem that in the letter there is a dear. Have you seen in the letter dear sir written there? Yes. Now he had a problem with the deer. Now he's telling he's a complete stranger and why do we write deer? That is what Mani is asking. Okay. He's telling he's a perfect stranger. And why do we write dear? He's saying. How can you call Bins dear sir? You must say sir. So he's telling no, you don't call him dear sir because he's a perfect stranger to you. Just call him sir. Okay. Now Rajan's explanation was, I won't say sir. It is said only by clerk. So this is what Rajam is telling to Mani. He's telling, see, only sir is said to the clerks. Okay. So I'm not going to say sir. I am not Bin's clerk, he says. So I don't care to address him as sir. Okay. So this letter went as it was. So this letter was sent as it was written. To whom it was sent? To whom it was sent? To Mr. Bins. Okay. So they all have written the letter and they have posted the letter to get those items or those requirements what they needed for the game. Okay. So with this we complete our lesson. Okay. Just in brief the explanation of this lesson. Just a summary. Okay, who are the three characters in this lesson? Yes. Okay. So what happened? Rajam was expelled from the school. He went to another school. Yeah. He was admitted in a board school. Then afterwards he meets his friends. Though he was in the board school and they were in the Albert Mission School, they still continue their old friendship. They talk to each other. Rajam comes to his house and he offers that we shall start a new team. Which was the team? Yeah, so they started which game? Which game was it? Cricket game. So they wanted to start a cricket game. So for starting a cricket game, what they needed? First thing they needed a name for the team, right? Second, what they needed? Yes, requirement of the for the cricket games. Okay, and third was what they had to do? Write a letter. Yes. So were they successful in doing all this? Yes. What name did they give their team? What name did they give their team? MCC, or what is the full form of MCC? Yes, MCC is Malgudi Cricket Club. What was the other name that they gave their this cricket team? Yes, Victory Union 11. Very good. So MCC means what? Malgudi Cricket Club. Okay. So they gave the name for their cricket team. Then second, they had to select all the requirements they needed. Were they successful in that? So they made a list of what they require. Then afterwards, they had to write a letter. Now, who wrote this letter? Rajam wrote. Yes. And whose benediction was required? Swaminathan's. Who had a problem? What was the problem? Yes. So, what Rajam gives explanation? What Raj? Very good. So, this was about the Malgudi Cricket Club. Just give me a second, dear children.